Welcome to the YouTube channel Best in You. Today I am explaining the pattern for the UPSC examination 2020. This consists of three stages. Number 1 prelims, number 2 mains examination, number 3 interview process. This prelims consists of two subjects. They are general studies and CSAT. This stage will have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In first paper, each question carries 2 marks. In second paper, each question carries 2.5 marks. And duration of the examination is 2 hours for each paper. This prelims is of totally qualifying nature. There will be a 1/3 of negative marking for the questions those are attempted wrong. All questions are MCQ types, that is, multiple choice types. The students who are qualified for the prelims examination are shortlisted for the mains examination. Mains examination. Now, I am going to explain about the mains examination process. This level have two phases. First phase is of qualifying nature. In this first phase, there are two language examinations. One language is any Indian language to be selected from the 8th schedule of the Constitution. The second examination is about Indian language. Phase 2 is totally for merit purpose. This have a total of 9 papers. Out of 9, 7 are merit based and 2 are qualifying papers. The candidates who have secured about 25 marks only are considered for evaluation. This mains examination is totally of descriptive type and can be written in two languages, that is English and Hindi. This table shows the topics related to the 9 papers of phase 1. Paper A consists of Indian language, paper B consists of English language. Next, paper 1 is of essay writing. Next, 4 papers are of general studies. Paper 6 and paper 7 are optional subjects to be selected from a list of subjects given by the board. The topics for general studies 1 are Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world, society. General studies 2, governance, constitution, polity, social justice, international relations. The topics for the general studies 3 are technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security and disaster management. The topics for the general studies 4 are ethics, integrity, aptitude. The optional subjects for paper 6 and paper 7 are as listed below. Those are agriculture, civil engineering, geology, mechanical engineering, psychology, animal husbandry and veterinary science, commerce and accountancy, history, medical science, public administration, anthropology, economics, law, philosophy, sociology, botany, electrical engineering, management, physics, statistics, chemistry, geography, mathematics, political science and international relations, geology. Literature of any one of the following languages: Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, etc. This is the final stage of the recruitment process. This will take as a part of the merit. A board of members sit together and ask candidates questions related to check ability of the candidates. The quality that the board looks for the mental strength, and that is mental strength means how strong you are emotionally, critical powers of equality, logical thinking, leadership qualities, that is how you are in organizing a group of people. Lastly, they check for the moral values. The total marks allotted for the interview process are 275 marks. The marks attained in 7 papers of merit exam and marks in interview stage are added to shortlist the final candidates. So the total marks for the entire recruitment process are 2025 marks. The final candidates are shortlisted on the basis of these marks attained out of 2025. This is the total entire process for selecting an IAS or IFS or IRS IPS officers. Thank you.